They don't melt, that's for sure. Today, Ferrari owners from all over Austria are descending upon Velden on Wörthersee for the annual sports car meet. Today, I'm taking the Testarossa. And the fun of driving through Austria tunnels and construction and a stiff Testarossa clutch. I love the sound of a Testarossa in a tunnel. So if Austria had a Caribbean, this is where we're going today. Wörthersee is a beautiful lake in the province of Kärnten, turquoise color. This event has been going on for over 20 years. Sports cars from all over Europe will descend on this spot. A quick run on the Tower and Autobahn to Velden on the Lake Wörthersee. Casino town, tons of tourism here. The best spot to park if you bring a car is to go to the basement of the casino. Not the cheapest on the planet, but fair and safe and in the shade. All right, arrived in Velden. This is the casino parking lot and there are a ton of cars here. Testarossa safe. A little bit of a picture of what's here. Back on the street, cars starting to show up, people starting to move around. This place will be so busy. Lots of different brands are here, different dealers. You're gonna see everything from Porsches to Bugattis. Of course, I'm gonna show you lots of Ferraris. Now we're on our way to Restaurant Ungeheuer with the Ferrari Club of Austria, our annual brunch. Just a ton of car-minded people that just love to get together. It is very social. It is a very cool part of the ownership experience is being in the club. And this is an annual event for us. Back on the street, here's an example of dealer in Austria called Pichler. Tons of great cars and just lots of people just enjoying it. Aston Martin was there. Typical classic fashion. My climate control has stopped working, so no defrost. It's raining as well, which is not ideal. And I get to clean my windshield off with this lovely microfiber towel. They don't melt, that's for sure. So, that's the typical life of a classic. You never know when something's gonna go sideways. Now I gotta figure out whether I blew a fuse, but yeah. I'm almost home, but the rain isn't really helping today. Quick pit stop, 120 euros gone and 3/4 full. Maybe, just maybe, the Italian gods will work this time, and when I start this car up, my climate control and defroster will work. And let's see what happens. No. Thank God the flat 12 pushes all the right buttons and makes you forget about days like this. See you next time.